Hey guys, it's me. So, I was in the middle of making a video. My sister came in and started being annoying, so I had to stop the video. So that's why I'm in like the middle of this adventure. And I can't find my way back, so I'm gonna follow this road right here. But anyways, I'm so sorry I haven't made videos. I'm like a horrible person now, so. Oh, it's over there, isn't it? I'll get the big one. What? Alright, so first treasure, we got large standing stone, wow. And pile of golden coins. I'm okay with the gold coins, but so I'm sort of done with that because I'm pretty sure the lucky part is going on now. There's seriously people. How many coins do I have? Oh yeah, I'm trying to make myself a look. I wanted to use green samurai swords, but no. Oh, I want the blackout spike. That's the spike I wanted. None of my friends got the blackout spike. None of them. Which seems really like, how do you not get it? I think I already have that. Yes, I would like to buy that. I missed all the spring items too, so last video I made was about Friendship Day, but this is St. Patrick's Day, so sort of upsetting there, but I just have enough going on, so oh yeah, I remember this den. I made it for Valentine's Day, and then I never used it, so I'm gonna clear it out. I'm gonna see if they got any wallpapers that would be good. Nope. Okay. Whoops. No thanks. I don't. That glitch. Still, so I don't have enough stuff really, but I guess I could put this large stone right here, and I'm just gonna there. Right, the basket. Alright, guys. Look. Gosh darn it. Look at the football. Okay, look at it. It's in the corner. If you just watched Julian 2's update video, there was a little dude in the corner. Now there's a football in the corner. I just witnessed a glitch. That's so cool. No. Okay. So let's go to the lucky party. I haven't been here all year. I want to hear the music on this thing. I haven't been here all year. Of course I haven't. Wow. Of course you haven't. Okay. I remember like last time I came, I was a non-member and I hated like that everything cool was for like the members and stuff. They don't have that many good items. Miss Pig, you are here. I'm not gonna ask on that. What are these cookie things? I'm sorry, I'm like looking at everybody's trades and stuff. But this is pretty cool. I want to make myself a den. But they have the best items. Lucky wishing well and stuff. Animal Jam Play Wild has special items. Like, I wish they had a better rarity system, though. They're using the Lucky Well. Okay, Clover Patch, this, and a well. And maybe that. Not Lucky Clover. And now I need some coins. Great. I just spent all my coins. Yeah, but this is probably going to be a short video after I, like, throw together a den right here. This ball right here. I want to take that out. Yes, this looks nice. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you